Hello. Evision is an excellent online platform for the people who want to join online internship program or for the people who want to learn latest technology in IT. I had enrolled on 21st June 2022 for internship program. I had awesome learning experience. Myself Vishnu Kumar from Karur, Tamil Nadu. I had completed BE Civil Engineering in N.S.N College of Engineering and Technology in Tamil Nadu. The assignments and interview practices provided in Evision, which gives learning portal, are really helpful to improve our IT skills. They conduct everyday mock interviews, mock sessions has developed my confidence build up to 100%. I got selected in HP now. I am joining with 3 lakh per annum salary package. I think we can explore more things by this online platform and we can learn more knowledge regarding IT field. Thank you Evision and their placement team.